Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Just a quick reminder, the product buy link is available in pinned comment and description. And also for like, share, comment, and subscribe, just make sure to do that as we get into the flow of the video. So let me ask you this. Have you ever spent like 20 minutes scrubbing a pet stain on your rug, only to have that awful smell returned, I don't know, 3 days later?
Oh yeah, it is a uniquely frustrating experience. You think it's gone, but it's really just lurking right beneath the surface.
Exactly. Which brings us to today's deep dive. We're looking at the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner. And, over 700 people bought this in the past month alone.
Wow, that's a lot of units.
Right. So our mission today is to figure out exactly why this specific machine is resonating so strongly with pet owners.
Well, it's a genuinely fascinating piece of equipment, especially when you realize how specific the engineering is for households dealing with animals.
Yeah, let's unpack the core tech here. It really revolves around two main things: 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes and something they call heat force technology.
Right, the spin scrub brushes are...
Because when I was looking at how these brushes operate, it immediately reminded me of like an automatic multi-angle car wash, but designed specifically for your living room rug.
Yes. That's actually an excellent way to picture it. Those 5 brushes are actively attacking deep, set-in stains from multiple angles.
So they're basically scrubbing from every side.
Exactly, agitating and lifting the dirt right out of the fibers. But I mean, washing a carpet usually creates another massive headache, right?
Oh, you mean the completely soggy floor.
Right.
The kind that takes like 3 days to dry and leaves your living room smelling like a damp basement.
Which is exactly why the heat force technology is so critical here. It's not just sucking up water. Think of it like a hairdryer built right into the suction nozzle.
Wait, like a literal hairdryer?
Pretty much. It actively blasts hot air directly into the carpet fibers at the exact same time it pulls the dirty water up.
Oh, wow. So you aren't just wetting the floor. You are washing, extracting, and blow drying it in one fluid motion.
That's the idea, yeah.
And you can really see how well that extraction works in the real customer feedback. There's this one reviewer, Mackenzie Shepard, who pointed out just how powerful this recovery is.
Oh, yeah. What did they say?
They claim the machine literally saved our flooded carpet.
Flooded, wow.
Yeah, so it isn't just for a little puppy puddle, It's moving serious water.
But here's the thing. A machine that cleans beautifully and moves gallons of water is still going to sit in your closet gathering dust if it's, well, a total nightmare to actually operate.
Totally. If it's heavy and clunky, I'm honestly just grabbing paper towels.
Right. And that's where the design of their TrueMax recovery tank comes in. They engineered a much larger tank specifically so you can clean a larger area without having to constantly stop.
Or to go walk to the sink, empty the dirty water, and start all over.
Exactly. It removes the friction from the chore so you can actually maintain your momentum while cleaning.
I get that. I mean, momentum is key. But here's where I have to admit some confusion, and I really want to push back on this a little bit.
Okay, let's hear it.
The machine has an auto mix feature and uses these 14-count paws and claws clean packs. I've got to be honest, pre-measured pods feel like an unnecessary gimmick.
They do kind of sound like a gimmick at first glance.
Right, like are we just overcomplicating soap so they can sell us more stuff?
I hear you, but if you look at the chemistry involved in pet messes, there is a very practical reason for it. First off, it prevents you from over-soaping.
Over-soaping?
Yeah, a huge mistake people make is pouring in way too much detergent. That leaves a sticky residue on your rug that actually attracts more dirt over time.
Oh, that makes sense.
So the auto mix feature precisely dispenses the exact right ratio every single time.
Oh, that's interesting. So more soap doesn't actually equal cleaner carpets? It literally makes them dirtier in the long run.
Precisely. But more importantly, it's about what is inside those specific pods. They contain a highly concentrated enzymatic formula explicitly designed to break down tough biological pet messes.
Like tracked in dirt, vomit, urine, all that stuff.
Exactly. If you're dealing with pets, you know that just masking the smell isn't enough. You need enzymes to actively break down those proteins at a microscopic level.
Because otherwise the smell always comes back.
Always.
So what does this all mean for the person using it? I guess it means the mechanics of the machine and the chemistry of the pods are designed to work together to literally eliminate the biological mess, not just hide it.
Spot on. And that leaves us with a final thought to ponder. Hoover has actually been innovating these exact kinds of cleaning solutions since 1908.
Wait, really? 1908.
Yeah, it really makes you wonder what other century-old household technologies are still quietly evolving right under our feet, adapting to the modern messes of our daily lives.
You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets, one product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.